Hello, in front of me I've got FOTON Tunland. In this video I'll show you how to pair smartphone with car via Bluetooth. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display. From the screen, select Bluetooth phone and switch this button to enable Bluetooth. Next, on your smartphone, go to Bluetooth settings and now on the screen display, find devices that can be paired. Also, you can on your smartphone select FOTON V9. Confirm, confirm, and it's done. Your car is now connected with the smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.